Good day all. I want to talk about this cough when we say they do small children. They see they do some big people too. But when you carry the cough the pikin go they breathe. When they cough go they breathe. They breathe strongly like that. The chest go they go up, the belly go they go inside, the belly go they go up the chest like that. You cough here, you carry the pikin go hospital. Sometimes doctor go say na asthma. Say na junior asthma, say the asthma never reach asthma. Say na as in asthma, they're gonna give the pikin asthma medicine most times. But if you dey notice that thing for your pikin, may you check if na small baby, because mostly they do small children months. Pikin the way they dey months, maybe 1 month, 2, 3, 4, 5 months. Now they do. May una check the pikin, check the teeth, because at times some children they use until they grow teeth. Teeth go they come outside from the inside the inner mouth, or the inner mouth mostly. Now they cause that thing for children. The inner teeth, the big one inside. Check out that the pikin they grow teeth. Then if not be the teeth, you know what you go do? Get this black plantain. The peel, the back of the black plantain, the back. May you burn am. Burn the back, burn her to ashes. Burn the back well, as in it go turn to ashes. Then may you get red oil, palm oil, not kernel pomade, palm oil. Then may you pour that ashes so you burn. Pour am inside the kernel, inside the oil, the red oil. Then may you mix am. Give the baby morning, afternoon, evening, 1 spoon. You're surprised. That thing wey be say doctor talk say na asthma, that thing go vanish. Try my method, may you see am. Thank you. God bless you.